Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting any time, what we will do is that first we will click on this plus button. After clicking on it, this small pop-up will come and we have to click upload a file, and we will click upload a file and we have to choose our pic. We will choose this pic this time. Now hit enter or click. So our pic will be there. It will take a little time, and now there is our pic. It's taking a little time. I think today net is, yeah, here. This is the pic. We will click on this pic. That is very slow today. So we have to click on this pic here. Copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we have to click on it. Then come here and type slash. And now we will click on imagine prompt. Now we will paste our link here. With the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space. Now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can see and read: cyberpunk woman, detectives in the style of golden age illustration, photo bashing, dark and brooding designer, HDR, handsome, and Leica eye, maroon and gray. Leica eye is, you can go and search about it. This is some, you can say, camera something. You just go and search about it. But after write this all prompt, we have to click or hit enter. So we'll see that what will be the result of it. So here is our 4 variations. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 to U4, V1 to V4. Now let me tell you what is U1 and V1. First we will click on it and open in new browser. So we can see the full quality of this. Yeah, here. This is pick 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to click U1, mean this U1 mean upscale any pic. But if you want to click on V1, it means it will give you 4 more variations of the same pic. Now it's all up to you. You want more 4 variations or you want to upscale. So let's see that. We will click on V1. We want this pic 4 more variations or new variations. So for this reason we have to click on V1, and now here this is the result. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of it. Yes, here again. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 4 more variations, you have to click V1 to V4. But if you want to now upscale any single pic, you have to click on U2, U1 to U4. So we will click on U2. So I want this pic upscale. So here U2, we will click on U2 and this is the result, U2. So here, this is the final result, and I wish and I hope this video will help you and you can make your own pics like this. So if you have any type of queries, you can say me, you can ask me, you can comment, and I will reply you.